Welcome or welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy, cooking and baking made easy. In this week recipe, I'm going to show you how to preserve ginger. And you ask me, why should I preserve ginger? Well, you know that the market of ginger go up and down during the years. So sometime here in Australia, you can buy ginger for about $19 a kilo, or you can even pay $50 a kilo. I love ginger. I use it in a lot of my recipes and dishes. So therefore, I don't want to miss out ginger and I don't want to have to pay an exorbitant price for it. So follow this quick recipe, quick easy steps. You will love it. You can put it everywhere. Whether it's your biscuits, whether it's your curry, your stew, any dishes, your stir fry, even if you have that little hint of sweetness, you will totally adore it. Like it, share it, subscribe, and as usual, the full recipe or the link is into the show more section. So see you next time for another recipe on Cooking with Frenchy. Bye. Alright. Here, that's preserved ginger recipe. So when you have nice root of ginger like this and stem, first things you can do is to peel them. I use a peeler, some people rather to use a spoon. It's really up to you. Make sure you peel all your ginger. Don't be fooled, the recipe I put on cookieswithfrenchy.com is for about 2 jars. Here I did about 6 kilos of ginger. So when I do that, I try to do a lot of ginger at once, as I can keep them for up to 6 months in a jar. So peel all your ginger. Once it's done, put your ginger root aside and keep the skin. I'll let you know why later. Chop them in a large, kind of French fry style. That's roughly chopped, but still big pieces. Just like this. You can follow me as well on Cooking with Frenchy on Instagram. But what we're going to do is to put them in a large saucepan and fill up with water. We are going to bring the ginger root to boil and simmer with small motion for about an hour and a half. Meanwhile, I can measure my sugar. I can also sterilize my jars. And I'm straining this cooking syrup or cooking water, and I'm putting the ginger root aside. I said I sterilize and prepare my jar. Now that's what I did with the skin. I actually bring them to boil and simmer them for 20 minutes. That's totally optional. You can totally avoid this, but it's actually give a better flavor and you don't do any wastage. Once you're done, you can add your sugar to your water. I did strain the skin of the liquid with a very fine strainer. Boil your sugar and cooking liquid for about 5 minutes together. Make sure it's all melted, and add back your ginger root and bring back to simmer again for 20 minutes, half an hour. Really gonna give that sweet and nice flavor all together. That is that cooking syrup. Really preserve the ginger. Once you've done, strain again your ginger roots and separate the syrup. Like this, you can place the root into jars, just like so, and use the syrup, the cooking syrup, to fill up the jars. Let it cool down for about 5-10 minutes and place the lid on top. Once they're done, you can keep them in a cool area in the pantry for about 6 months. Once they open, you can keep them in the fridge for about 2 to 3 weeks. Easy. I really love this recipe because it allows me to have ginger all year round and at a cheaper price. So I buy the ginger when it's at low cost. So I hope you enjoy it. Use it for your salad, curry, sushi, stews, biscotti, gingerbread, and use the juice as a tea or little syrup for yourself. I hope you enjoy your recipe, and thank you for watching.